Hey guys, I'm back. It's like a m. 6 a.m. And my stupid sister got me fucking sick. But anyways, I'm gonna start eating and hopefully my mom won't whoop my ass like last time. That's hella good. Time for ramen. It's better than my sister's fucking ramen. That's how you know I make it better. Anyway, Big Mac time. Whew. Never knew I could burp like that. Those were hella good. Now it's time to wake up my sisters cause I'm bored. Wake up, bitch.
Shut the fuck up. Ugh. What time is it?
6 a.m.
Why the fuck did you wake me up then?
I was bored.
I'm going to bed then.
No, you aren't.
What the fuck do you mean? What the fuck is wrong with you?
That's why you look like you had a butt lift.
I take that as a compliment.
You're such a fucking idiot.
1, 2, 3, let's go!